Hello, my name is Putu and Serlina. I'm from PBI B afternoon class, and now we will discuss about consonant. How you can say touch, cut, touch, through, brought, and differently. The letters don't always meant to sound they represent. People can pronounce the same words with different ways. So, phonetic. Phonetic is the study of speech sound and the system that linguists use to write pronunciation very precisely. It's called the International Phonetic Alphabet, or as known as IPA. To understand all about what I explained before, we need to learn about how the human body produces the sound. We start with the lungs, which push air up through the vocal folds, also known as vocal cords. Your vocal folds are thin membranes that sit across your throat and vibrate to make sound. Vocal tract is the way to move from lungs to lips. We can change the shape of any part of the vocal tract to make or articulate different sounds. When it goes through it, it makes a sound. There are 5 major features of sign language articulations: handshake, palm orientations, movement, location, and expression. Handshake. Handshake says the difference between the ASL sign for red and sweet. Palm orientation says the difference between balance with the palm down and maybe with the palms up. Movement such as moving in a circle for always or line for school. Location like mother at the chin and father at the forehead. And the last one is expression, also called non-manual sign for throat aprons to make something a yes or no question. And then consonants are speech sound made by closing the vocal tract in some way, while vowels are made by making it a different shape but leaving it open. We will start with consonants that we already know, like p, th, k. Try it. P, t, k. These 3 sounds are made at 3 different spots in the vocal tract, which linguists call places of articulations. So, since P is made by pressing both of your lips together, it's a bilabial sound. T is made by pressing the front part of the tongue against the hard ridge just behind your teeth, known as your volume, so it's an alveolar sound. And K is made by pressing the back of the tongue against the soft part of the roof of your mouth, known as your velum, so it's a velar sound. How about F and S? Unlike our stops, this involved the air continuously flowing out of and causing friction in the mouth. So this type of sound is a fricative. F is made using the bottom lips and the top teeth. That's make F a labiodental sound. S is pronounced at the alveolar ridge, just like T. This means S and T make the same place of articulations, but are different in their manner of articulation because T is plosive and S is fricative. Put your hands on your neck and make the sound S and turn it into a Z. Z. Your lips and tongue stay in the same position. You're not changing the place or manner of articulation. But something does happen in the throat. For S, your vocal cords aren't vibrating, while for Z, they are. In English, we have M, which goes with our bilabials P and B. We have N, which goes with our alveolars T and D. We also have the nasal sound at the end of sing and the middle of hunger, which goes with our velar K and H. We could keep going by paying attention to what the mouth is doing as it pronounces different sound in English and other language until we have a comprehensive table of position speech sounds. The IPA chart is a bit like the periodic table. Is that its structure tells us a lot about the properties of each sound. This means that even if you don't know a symbol immediately, you can figure it out what it sounds like based on its row and column. The empty white boxes are sounds that could exist but haven't been found in any known language yet, while the shaded gray boxes are sound that we just don't think the human body is capable of making. There are also two categories of other consonants that don't fit in the consonant table the way it's commonly structured. The first are sounds where the articulators touch in two places, called co-articulated consonants. They don't easily fit into any one column in the table. For example, W not only involves lips coming together, but also a constriction at the volume towards the back of your mouth. The second are consonants that are made with air flowing out of the mouth, or pulmonic airflow, so they're known as non-pulmonic consonant. This category includes some where the air is sucked into the vocal tract, or implosive consonant, and a sound where the glottis is sealed up and air is forced out of the upper part of the vocal tract, known as ejectives. The final groups of non-pulmonic consonants are cliques. So that's all my explanations about phonetic, and specifically it's about consonant. So thank you.